Okay, you guys, so no intro today, just a quick video. As you guys can see, I parted ear to ear, and then what I went ahead and did, I braided my hair going straight down. Don't laugh at my braids. I did some bullshit because it's going to be underneath, but now I'm going to go ahead and take my wig cap and get that as secure as possible on my head. All right, so now that I have the placement correctly, I'm just going ahead and taking my concealer and following my part. So this is going to be your guidance to where you're going to stop as you're gluing the tracks. So you guys need to do this because it will really prevent you from getting the glue on your hair. As you can see, I've used this pack of synthetic hair that I found at the beauty supply. I want to say it was all of like $15, and it comes with all of those bundles. What ended up happening, I tried to glue down the top of my cap. I then realized I had cut the cap too soon, so that's why it kind of slid back, but it did the damn thing. Y'all excuse the tracks the way they ended at the top. Next time I will do this with human hair because the synthetic tracks are very thin, so just watch out for that. They don't look right. If like, I would have had to literally pile a bunch of the hair onto the back part of my hair, and I didn't want to do that, so that's why that top kind of looked like spacey and kind of splotched out. So now I'm moving on to the front. I always like to part out my baby hairs first. In this video, I didn't really get my baby hairs as even as I should have, but it still ended up coming out nice. But just make sure you get like a clean part or a clean like layout of the amount of baby hairs you're going to use.
Hey, Naig'e girl.
What happened?
Go ahead and do what you got to do. I'll meet you back at the house. I got a surprise for you.
Oh, okay.
So, you about to take off and go get AJ?
No, not yet. I was waiting for him. Okay, so this part right here is pretty self-explanatory. I'm now just brushing up my hair with some edge control and just getting that top part of the ponytail as sleek as possible, and just getting it as high as I would like, so to my liking. Once I have it pinned, I go ahead and once I have it hair tied down, I go ahead and braid it all the way down and secure with the rubber band at the tip, as you guys can see. I then take a small piece from the track and secure that bottom piece with a rubber band. I don't know if I'm explaining this to where you guys can understand it, but just kind of look at the visual. I'll zoom in right here so you guys could kind of see what I did. So I hope the zooming in helped. And then from there, I'm sure most of you guys know how to just go ahead and wrap the track up the rest of your braid. So I'm going to do this all the way until I get to the end, and then I will show you guys what I do to secure. So now that we have the hair wrapped all the way up the braid, you're just going to take that ending piece of the track and use that to wrap around the base of the ponytail. So I'm using some Got To Be glue, and then I'm gonna wrap that all the way around until it is secure. Most of the time I just wrap and then I kind of pull extra tight. I don't remember if I used a bobby pin. I don't think I did, but you guys need to use a bobby pin for that part because sometimes the base of it, oh, I did. So the base of it will unravel. Y'all excuse me, when I be editing these videos, I make the content and I don't like watch it or edit it right away, so I did not realize that I used the bobby pin. But on with the video, I just ended up taking a little bit of edge control on the edge of, on the tip of my finger, and I'm just wiping that over the base of the wrap around that we just did. And then the next part is pretty self-explanatory. Just go ahead and do your baby hairs how you like to do them. I've been using my flat iron lately. It has been giving the curl and the swoop that we need, baby. If you're afraid to do that, then don't do it. Or if you have those baby hairs where you don't have to do it, then don't do that either. But to get that trending look that everyone has been getting, I know most of them have been using the flat iron. So y'all try that out. All right, y'all. So that concludes the videos. Whip them baby hairs how you like them. And yeah, so I wanted to get this video straight to the point. Just a little quick 7-minute little something, you know. So this is me driving to go meet up with my friends. They didn't get to celebrate my birthday with me, so we ended up all going out and all that good stuff. We went to Punch Bowl Social, but here's a picture of me and my friend. Oh, well, Boomerang, just showing you guys the look of the hair. Thank you guys so much for watching.